Buy a hosting plan from genuine and reliable VPS server hosting in Hong Kong provider by TheServerHost. Hong Kong, officially the independent Hong Kong Special Administrative Region of China. The economy of Hong Kong is highly developed and combines retail trading with the provision of financial services. Introduction: some of the key features that make Hong Kong VPS web hosting popular amongst website owners worldwide are high levels of functionality, versatility, and exceptionally high levels of security for your website. A VPS web environment is housed by a service provider such as TheServerHost. There are several factors that you should look at before signing up with a VPS web hosting package. Most importantly is that you must choose the right VPS web hosting service package for your needs. As with anything else, there are advantages and disadvantages when it comes to any new web hosting service. TheServerHost best features as Hong Kong VPS server hosting provider. Server resources: one of the benefits of using TheServerHost is that it is able to offer extremely efficient Hong Kong servers to clients. This means that clients can enjoy complete control over their servers. All of their servers are fully managed and are housed in servers that have been carefully chosen and placed in their data center. This gives customers a lot of control over their servers, something that they might not be able to enjoy if they chose to use an inexpensive VPS hosting service. Flexibility: another benefit of using TheServerHost is that it offers website owners a lot of flexibility. The developers and technicians that work at TheServerHost understand how to best utilize their servers in order to give each client complete control over the entire system. Website owners can completely manage their servers. Best of all, clients can choose between completely customized hosting and more affordable options. Server quality: the programmers working at TheServerHost have put in a lot of time and effort into developing high-quality Hong Kong VPS web hosting packages for their clients. One of the best things about these packages is the way that bandwidth usage impacts a company's ability to pay. When a company exceeds its allowed bandwidth limits, they will experience an immediate impact in their monthly billing. The way that TheServerHost works to prevent this from happening is by letting site owners use virtual private servers with unmetered bandwidth to keep their costs down. This ensures that every company's needs are met at the most affordable cost. Scalability: many people worry about the scalability of Hong Kong VPS hosting because of the amount of uptime that they require. The developers at TheServerHost have developed a variety of different ways to make sure that scalability is never a problem for their clients. For instance, many people worry about how much traffic their site will be able to handle without going over their bandwidth limits. The developers have taken the time to ensure that each individual virtual server is scalable in relation to other virtual servers on the same server. This ensures that each customer will be able to get what they need while avoiding concerns about going over their bandwidth limits. Extra features: the developers at TheServerHost take advantage of several features found in virtualization programs to provide their clients with even more benefits. For example, TheServerHost allows its customers to take advantage of multi-core processors. With these processors, the company will be able to provide faster performance and increased functionality for their users. Great for small businesses: Hong Kong VPS servers are great for small businesses that need more server space and bandwidth, but don't have the monetary resources to purchase and maintain their own. With this type of hosting services, you pay a premium for a portion of server, but you have the entire control over the operating system and every feature that is available on the physical machine. You also get unmetered bandwidth and unlimited root access. Expand your business: most people think that shared hosting solutions are great for small companies who only have a few customers. However, this is not always true. If your website has traffic, then you should use a Hong Kong virtual private server, as this will allow you to increase the size of the server without any limitations. Cheap Hong Kong server is highly suitable for companies trying to expand their business by offering them web hosting solutions with high levels of features and resources. Benefits of using best VPS server hosting in Hong Kong provider by TheServerHost. What are the benefits of Hong Kong VPS hosting? VPS hosting server benefits are twofold. It gives you complete freedom over your server, and it also makes it easier for you to grow your business using multiple servers. As powerful as it is, most people make the big mistake of assuming that VPS hosting server benefits only mean you can't use any software at all on the VPS. But this isn't true at all anymore. In fact, Hong Kong VPS hosting servers are only as powerful as dedicated server, and they're more flexible too. You can install and run any type of software on your VPS, including operating systems, database servers, load balancing services, cron tab programs, and anything else. High-level security updates and security protection. Since your VPS is separated from your physical server, you are given the ability to install and utilize the latest security updates and security protection features. No need to worry about having to manually update your security features because everything is handled by the Hong Kong VPS provider itself. This is one of the most important VPS hosting server benefits, since it allows you to minimize the risk of data loss and help protect your business from any possible attacks. High-speed connectivity. With virtualization, you get to enjoy a high-speed connectivity. Hong Kong virtual private servers are designed with the purpose of offering high-speed connectivity so that you can easily achieve a state-of-the-art in website design and development. With a high-speed connectivity, you can develop and create dynamic websites with great ease. And most importantly, you can take advantage of advanced features available with a high-speed VPS hosting solution. Install different software on your VPS. When you use a Hong Kong VPS server, you are basically purchasing a portion of that server, which you can then install different applications and processes onto. With virtualization, you don't have to purchase a new dedicated server because you can simply install different programs and applications on your VPS. With this feature, you can literally take different VPS with different functions and set up them into one single server. Because of this, you get to enjoy a large variety of choices when it comes to operating system and VPS platform. Control panel access. Another benefit of virtualization is that you get to enjoy the great advantages of having great control panel access. With Hong Kong VPS servers, it may not be possible for you to gain access to your control panel. But with virtualization, you can have full control over the different aspects of your VPS hosting. All you need to do is to log into your VPS and make changes on your VPS as needed. In addition, you will also get to enjoy the complete control over your VPS. And with great control panel access, you can make changes as you need, not just during the course of your regular workday. Unmetered bandwidth and high bandwidth delivery. Another advantage of using Hong Kong virtual private servers is that it allows you to enjoy unlimited bandwidth and high bandwidth delivery. You get the complete freedom to utilize any resources on your VPS without worrying about going over your allowed bandwidth limit or having too much traffic on your website. With unmetered bandwidth, you can take advantage of any potential traffic that your website may have, without worrying about the amount of resources that you will need. It also gives you the freedom to add additional resources for a higher uptime. Great performance. Using Hong Kong virtual private servers also allows you to enjoy great performance. With high-performance web hosting control panels, you get the chance to manage your VPS just like you would on your dedicated server. You can add, remove, and modify many different options for your VPS just like you would on your dedicated server. And with great control panels, you can easily perform maintenance tasks, software updates, and more without needing to learn any complicated software. You can also easily recover VPS data if your website experiences server failure. More info, https://theserverhost.com/vps/Hong Kong,